Hi everybody, Tom from Bamatronic Solutions here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem of no audio in Zoom meetings. The problem of no audio in Zoom meetings. Now, I'm not going to waste time in this video telling you about what Zoom is or the benefits, but I have made this video specifically for people that have the Zoom app already and they try to join a meeting, and when they join the meeting they're not able to get audio from the meeting even when they have very good internet connection and every other person can hear the audio. So I'm going to do this practically. Now I have a meeting invitation here. Date tonight, Tuesday 28th of April 2020. Time 8:30 p.m. prompt. All right, venue it's Zoom. So this is the link to join the Zoom. I'm going to click on it right now. I have the Zoom app already installed. And let's give it a while to load. Okay, so prepare meeting, asking the name it's for use and joining the meeting. I've already typing right now. Okay. So this meeting is going on right now. All right, I have people in attendance, but you can't hear the audio. All right, and so many persons are actually complaining that they cannot hear the audio as well. But this meeting is going on in earnest, and the and the audio is actually running. Now, if you have this problem and you're not having internet, you see, someone is complaining. Let someone help me out because I can't hear right from the beginning. All right, so people are complaining, and if I should allow it, all right, you see several other people that will be complaining as well. All right, actually, I was in this meeting and I saw the complaints coming from people, and that's why I decided to do this video. So how do you resolve this? All right. Now, the problem is coming from the default settings in your Zoom app. So go to your Zoom and you go to settings. You see the gear at the top left. Go to settings. All right. Now go to meeting. And you see this very first setting is where your problem is coming from. You see auto connect to audio is off. All right, so you tap on it. All right, the default setting there is off. Click on use internet. All right, so when you click on use internet, you can now go back to join your meeting and you find it that you're going to get audio. So let's do that again. I'm going to go back to the meeting. So I'll click the link to join again. All right, put in my name, connect. It's waiting to join the meeting. This might take from few seconds to few minutes. So the audio is now working perfectly, and I can actually hear the presenter as he goes on to explain things in the meeting, but I actually had to take out the audio of the meeting while doing this recording because the audio of the meeting was interfering with my own explanation here, and that will enable you to have a good experience. But I can hear everything myself very clearly, and people are still complaining nonetheless on the video, right, that in the meeting. But then if they had just done what I have shown you in this video, all of their audio problems would have been taken care of, given that the internet is working perfectly, right? And that's what this channel is all about. It's all about providing solutions to most of the basic problems that we face. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on notifications so you're going to be notified when I create another content like this. Make sure you share to your friends, to your family, and to colleagues. And until I come your way again next time, it's been Tom from Bamatronic Solutions saying do have yourself a very nice day. Bye.